Hello and welcome to Böck Instruments virtual exhibition. My name is Henrik Volkerts and I will introduce you to our continuing education services. So why is education so important? To secure your market position over years, you need trained and qualified staff. This will ensure a discussion at eye level with your customers and suppliers. Knowledge can become outdated or fade away. To keep pace with new developments and customer demands, we all cannot stop learning. Böck Gardner employees with the deepest knowledge present our trainings and seminars. Böck Gardner offers different types of trainings adapted to your industry and needs. Open seminars in hotels or at Böck Gardner. Physical properties A to Z seminars, for example, cover the most important methods for checking physical properties like viscosity testing, how to best make a consistent drawdown, temperature control of production ovens, variety of film thickness methods. Color and gloss control in practice for solid and metallic finishes seminars contains valuable technical info like building blocks of color, finding the right color and gloss meter for your application, color systems and meaningful customer relevant tolerances, all combined with hands-on workshops. In addition, we offer our Böck Instruments in-house seminars for color and appearance. Our application specialists with many years of practical experience and experts in color and appearance science will define with you the training content, customized to your needs. If you have limited time, web seminars are an ideal tool to learn color and appearance theory step by step. Every month, different topics are covered for easy digestion. The 60 minutes are free of charge online seminars performed live by a Böck Gardner specialist. The participants have the chance to interactively ask questions to the specialist during the web seminar. The web seminars are a continuation of Böck Gardner's philosophy to support customers in using the measurement technology and data analysis in the best possible way. To summarize, education and application support provided before, during and after the purchase of a product is the key to your satisfaction with our products. All education service offers convey basic theory principles, give recommendations of international standards and deliver practical knowledge. Böck Instruments, your source of continuing education. And now I'd like to say goodbye and thanks for your time. And I hope to welcome you at one of our next web seminars or live seminars.